Are you still replying to every messages manually on WhatsApp and struggling to keep up with your customers' chat? But what if you could automate your conversations in just a few minutes? So in this video, we are going to build a simple yet powerful WhatsApp chatbot that can handle your customers' messages automatically and respond instantly and save your hours of manual work. So this chatbot is going to make your communication faster and more efficient. So by the end of this video, you will have your own chatbot ready to automate chats effortlessly. So now let me show you how I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. So right now I'm going to show you the real-time working of this WhatsApp chatbot, and afterwards we will proceed towards creating this step by step. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. So here, as I have provided this message, I'm getting this welcome message, and here I'm getting two buttons, that is book a service and get pricing. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my home service business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, whether it's any service based business, any online business, any coaches, coaching institute, etc. And here I'm going to select this first button, that is book a service, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So here I have provided it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my location or area. So here I'm going to enter my location or area as Bhopal, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a message which consists of the list of the services provided by this business. So now let's open this list and check out the services. So here I'm getting some of the services. So here I'm going to select this first service, that is home cleaning, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a confirmation message which says your request has been submitted. So now you have seen this first button by using which I can register or book the home service for me. Now let's proceed towards our second button, that is get pricing, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which consists of the pricings of the services offered by this business. So now you have seen this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. So now you can also create it for any business you are running by just using Pabbly Chatflow without even a single word coding. So now let me show you how to create it, and for that you have to move towards the flow page with me. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chat, where we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot, which is going to eliminate all the manual conversations with the customers or the clients. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to open the new tab and type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have got this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where I have provided it the name automate your chats in minutes with the simple bot, and here we are getting this option for trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which I'm going to enter. So here I'm going to just type it and press the enter key, and here our keyword is ready, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this, but for now I am removing it as we already have our keyword. And you can also enable skip trigger matching too, and on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message as we have recently done in this chatbot. And now here for that we just have to drag and drop, and here we are getting all these message notes which you can get from this message block too. So here I'm going to select text button, and now in this text button note I'm going to enter welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customers. Now I'm going to create a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I'm going to enter my button name as book a service, and here we are getting this field for selecting the button type. So you can select it either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. Now we just have to click over the save button. Now I'm going to create one more button. So here I have created both these buttons. Now if my user select this button, that is book a service, I'm going to ask them a question regarding their full name. So for that we just have to move over the actions where you will see this note that is ask question. So here I'm going to enter a question asking for the full name of my user. So here I have entered this question asking for the full name. Now I'm going to select the contact custom field as full name, and here I'm going to select my format as any. Now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of a particular data. So right here this full name will consist of the full name provided by my user or the customers. So you can create your own contact custom field, and for that you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one we just have to click over this add more field button, and here I'm done with my first question. Now let's enter one more question asking for the location or the area. So here I have entered this question asking for the location or the area, and now if my user provides me answer of these both questions, I'm going to provide them list of the services provided by my business. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here I'm going to select this list node, and now in this list node I'm going to provide a body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to add some items to this list. So for that we firstly have to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some items or some services provided by my business. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and here we are getting this dialog box. So now let's enter the first service over here. So here I have entered it. Now likewise I'm going to add some more services to this list. So here I have added some more items to my list. Now I'm going to provide contact custom field to all these list items so that I can get the service which my user has selected, and for that we can find a node over the actions block that is set custom field, and here I'm going to connect it with my first list item, and here I'm going to select my contact custom field as service type which can be seen here, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field, and as you know I'm creating this contact custom field for this first list item or the first service. So here I have entered the same value. Now likewise I'm going to provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to provide them a confirmation message in this text button node. So here I have entered this confirmation message. Now let's proceed towards the second button, that is get pricing. So I'm going to provide the pricings in a text button node. So here I have provided all the pricing. So with this we are done with the creation of our WhatsApp chatbots. So now I have shown you how you can create a simple WhatsApp chatbot, but you can modify it according to you. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting this save button, and as I have clicked over the save button I'm getting this pop-up which means it is saved successfully. So now you can also create this simple WhatsApp chatbot for automating all the conversations with your clients within the WhatsApp, and now you don't have to manually interact with your customers asking their details and booking the services for them, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do it automatically. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, chatbot. You can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.